Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, what we're going to do, we're going to look at how to automate your trading strategy for consistent results. Now, you need to understand that to automate something, you need something that's what? Repeatable. Okay. How to do that? You need something that can be mathematically defined. It has to be objective. It has to be mechanical. If this, then that. But still, there are discretionary tactics in if this, then that. Yeah. You have to understand that whenever you're looking to mechanize or automate your trading system, you need to have something that gives you bias, something that gives you direction, that same thing, on something that gives you your entry. Okay. Everything else is context, narrative, right? So, narrative also can be seen within the lens of order flow. Okay. Now, keep that in mind. So algorithmic trading is one of the best things to ever exist, right, in modern day trading. It simplifies your trading by computerizing your trading process, which in turn removes any human error that may be involved in the process. That is 100% true. Because think about it. If you are in my public Telegram chat, you can join. The link is in the description below. You will see that I am only sending you guys signals, which is free, by the way. I'm only going to send it once or twice a week. For the rest, you got to use my algorithms by joining the Senior Quant Trader program on WAP, right? You will see that you're going to make less human error. Why? Because you get the buy or sell signal, and all you have to do is simply wait for your entry model. Now, if your entry model is nice, if your entry model has less fake outs, you you will have 100% win rate. But think about it. You are greedy. You are impatient. 100% win rate is impossible unless you have 100 pip stop loss, 100 pip take profit. Then man, you're gonna win every single day. Only difference is it's stupid. In long run, it won't work. What do I mean by it won't work? To get the gains that you want, yeah, hedge fund style gains, sure, you can do the 100 pip, 100 pip TP, 100 pip SL, 50 pip TP, 50 pip SL. You can, but we are not hedge funds. Yeah, we are nowhere near hedge fund level in terms of having deep pockets to say that, okay, you know what, let me have this one-to-one trade. I'm going to make $50,000. We don't have that money, right? So by using algorithms of our own trading models, you're going to face less human error, and that's going to lead to more consistency in trading results. Now, even more than consistency, it's going to lead to stress-free trading. No FOMO, no anxiety in entry. Why? Algorithm says buy. Okay, I'm looking for strength to buy. Algorithm says sell. Okay, I'm looking for weakness to sell. I'm looking at the order flow. Is the order flow bearish? Okay, I'm going to sell. Is the order flow bullish? Oh man, I'm going to buy. It's as simple as that, don't you think? Let me know in the comment section below if it is as simple as that or if it's not as simple as that. Because as far as I know, algorithmic trading, AI trading, high frequency trading bots, they rule the world. They make the most amount of money. Humans don't, humans don't. Full margin, sure, but humans don't. Okay. All right. Now, how to use the algorithms. Now, if you want to make an algorithm that suits your unique trading style and strategy, you must start off with being able to objectively define the parts that make up your strategy. Okay, so let's break down one or two algorithms of mine just to show you what I mean. Okay, so if you look at my order flow algorithm, it uses specific price parameters to determine order flow dynamically. If certain things happen, it's bullish. If certain things happen, it's bearish. Yeah, and it's a fundamental truth within the mechanisms of price. Now, if order flow shifts bearish, the candles that you see on the chart, they're going to be painted red. And if the order flow shifts bullish, the same candles are going to be painted green. Every new candle is going to be painted green. Yeah. And these outputs are then executed after a certain time of day. Why certain time of day? Why? It's because price is allowed to move at or after a certain time has passed. Now I'll show you examples in a second. Okay. Now the second one is the entry algorithm. The entry algorithm uses the outputs from the order flow algorithm and or my price phase prediction algorithm. My price phase prediction algorithm gives you the A and D phases for each session, right? Now this comes with other objective inputs such as the news embargo filter. Okay, the news embargo filter says, okay, this is the hour that we have news. Please provide entries after this hour. right? So the fact that the entry algorithm uses inputs, listen carefully, the fact that the entry algorithm uses inputs from other algorithms, okay, it uses inputs from other algorithms itself goes to show that there is no room for you to fuck up. True or not? If it's using data from other algorithms, right? You can't fuck up, right? There's literally no room to say that, oopsie, I messed up. There's no room for that, unfortunately. Agree or not? Think about it for a second. Is what I'm saying correct or is what I'm saying wrong? If it is an objective truth that comes as an output from another algorithm, isn't it objective? Isn't it giving you zero room to fuck up? Correct, right? So, for example, if there's a news driver at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we will set the news embargo hour to 10 so that the entry algorithm will give us an entry during the 11 a.m. EST hour. Now, if all price conditions are met, otherwise it will not show us an entry at all. So that says you're not taking a trade, you're not losing a trade, you're not winning a trade, net zero, no stress. If price conditions are met, that's what I said. So that is what allows your strategy model to be automated. Objective criteria that does not rely on discretionary inputs because you cannot code discretion. You cannot. You cannot. Okay. So let's take a look at three assets having these algorithms run on them. All right. So let's go to TradingView here. So as you can see today, I set these sell signals, this one here, this one over here. I sent it to the public Telegram chat. It's working out perfectly. So I'm in a short over here, right? Take profit is right down here. I'll show you where. So take this like so. This 4 right here, that's my take profit. Okay, so we'll come back to this and see whether it actually hit or not. Okay, so here's a good example. I'm using the price phase prediction algorithm here, Asian session accumulation, London session manipulation. So if I look for manipulation, what am I looking at? I'm looking at SMT divergence, right? So what can I see? Can you see that? SMT, that's manipulation. Here, I'm in a sell, closed it here. Another sell, full TP there. I took partials just now. Okay, it's as easy as that. Can you see how easy it is? It's objective, it's mechanical. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. Now, what are these yellow candles? Something that you will not get to know. Okay, so think about that. This is gold. I just showed you one on gold with the entry algorithm. Yeah. Now, let's take a look at the order flow algorithm. Okay. The order flow algorithm is not working properly. I need to fix it. Something happened. I'll see what I'll see what happened. I'll see what happened. Okay. Look at Nasdaq. Okay. Nasdaq. Okay, now I know why it was not working because I had another algo on. So let's go back to gold. What did gold do? Bearish order flow here. Now, Sean, why is there bullish order flow over here? Well, that's the thing, right? The order flow was bullish until suddenly it just shifted and there you go. So, Sean, if I would rely on this only, am I not getting a fake signal? Yeah, which is why you're going to use the price phase prediction algorithm as well. Because if London session was a bearish manipulation, this is going to be a sell, right? Now you can see here, bearish sold off, bullish went up, and then suddenly bearish we came down. There. And now we're going to hit full take profit. Okay. So finish that. Let's go and check NASDAQ. NASDAQ, what can we see? Bullish order flow. Bullish order flow takes out a high, starts selling off, makes sense, then starts to have bearish order flow. Okay. Now, just by looking at this, can I tell you what the AMD phases are based on my price phase prediction algorithm? Huh? Can I do that? Yes, I can. How? This is accumulation. London is manipulation. And then New York session is in 1 hour. That's distribution. So if I'm looking at NASDAQ, I'm looking at a distribution phase for the New York session. Isn't that simple? I need SMT over here or SMT over here to know, okay, where exactly is the manipulation happening, right? And the order flow algorithm is telling me, okay, chances are they're going up. I just need to confirm if this manipulation is a bullish manipulation. After that, what I can do is I will go here and I will set the algorithm to bullish. I will set the other algorithm over here to bullish. And right now we're having buy signals, which I'm not going to pay any attention to because it's London. It's a London session. I want to wait for the NYSE open, right? And you can see it everywhere. Okay. Look, you can't see it here. You can see it here. See, buy signal, poof. Buy signal, poof. Buy signal, poof. Now, this is random. No context behind it. No full analysis, right? Not setting the algorithms properly. Nothing. Here. Sell signal, poof, 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 poof. But that was a buy signal here. That's why it went up. Sell signal, poof. Sell signal. Sell signal went down. Sell signal went down. Sell signal went down. Can you see it doesn't fail? Sell signal went down. And here, only because I'm putting sell, there's got to be a situation where there's a buy. And that's when the buys work out. When the sells don't work out, it's because there's a buy signal. Okay. They're not to be used by themselves. They have to be used within overall context, within overall framework. How is that derived? How are you getting that? Order flow algorithm, price phase prediction, daily bias, everything is there in the TTA suite of algorithms. Only the entry algorithm is not there yet, but if you join, you're going to get it within the week. Okay, so I hope you understood what I'm talking about. This is all to show that if you are going to be automating, if you are wanting an automated system, I have it right here for you. All you have to do is click the link in the description below, get the Senior Quant Trader program, get access to all my algorithms, and you can make money alongside me. You can take the same trades that I take. You can run your own damn signal group for all I care, as long as you use it properly. Okay, so that's it. If you want consistent results in trading, simply put, use my algorithms. That's all. Okay, that's it. I hope you like this video. Please do comment something nice about algorithms. If you use algorithms, if you want me to create any algorithms, I'll definitely create it for you. I have a team of developers that will be happy to do it for you at a price, of course. Nothing is ever free. Okay, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Expect more videos because the next one is definitely going to be a banger. Good luck and good trading. Yes, it's going to be what those the yellow color candles were, which I said I wasn't going to talk about, but I'm actually going to talk about them. So stay tuned for that. Good luck and good trading. Bye bye.